Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to block ads in Google Chrome. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to block ads in Google Chrome, all you got to do is simply go to Chrome. Once you're in your Google Chrome, all you got to do is simply tap on the three dots and simply go to the settings option. Now once you're in your settings option, you can find the option called site settings. There you can find the ad blocker and simply tap on the ad blocker as well, and simply tap on ads are blocked on sites known to this. So if you are simply going to do this, you are being blocking that particular app. You can simply go and install some applications like extensions like uBlock Origin and stuff to block banners or pop-up ads and video ads as well. So this is how you can simply go and block ads in Google Chrome. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.